Hello mga guys, good afternoon, good evening. So, nandito na naman tayo, start sa vlogging. Okay. Look at that guys, what I have here. Tiramisu.
Nagbablog ka ba?
Yes, tita. And look at in the other here, where my friends are. Look, also cake. And there also. And also there. So, ang sasarap guys, no? Delicious. So delicious guys. So, now we are here in the restaurant. Jamming muna kami. So, jamming muna kami dito. Okay guys.
Kami naman, Maria. Kunan mo kami. Iihim mo.
Hindi ko pinapakita face nyo sa ano lang kasi lalabas to sa YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nasa 4,000 views na ako.
Yeah? Picture lang kita?
Ayan guys, andito kami sa mga restaurant. Oh, a lot of people here. Look at that guys. Pero for now guys, dito muna guys, yeah. Ano muna kami guys? Drink muna kami guys. Later ulit tayo.
Muna kuha namin ko ng tinidor.
Later muna tayo guys, okay.